What's up guys, John here, aka Ripped Pyro 14, and today I'm going to be smashing the glass plate thingy from inside the microwave that I smashed on my previous few videos. I have here, what's his name and what's her name? I forgot your guys' names. And you should stop messing around with my brick.
I should stop messing around with your brick. Good
call. Alright, so we're gonna be throwing these bricks at that glass plate thingy out there. I forgot what it's called. But anyway, alright, it's my turn first because I'm the oldest. Oh yeah, and these guys get to be on the video for 1 minute starting now. Alright. Yeah. Dang, just about got it.
Okay.
Wait, can you guys see? I'll just turn the camera.
We're bad at this.
My turn.
Oh. Yeah, we are. Try again.
Man, you guys should try not to hit the top.
What do you mean, you guys? I'm the farthest one away.
Actually, I thought I was the farthest.
A little bit.
Hey, why are you moving it?
It's a little bit. Don't hit the cord.
Yeah, good idea. Good call. Alright. Actually, we should probably move it over here.
Good idea. Good call. Good call. Good call. Die! Come on. Yeah, close,
really
close.
bad.
Look out, you guys. I got it! Yeah! Woo! Ripped Pyro 14 out.